Okay, so next is itong multiplication by a word problem, multiplication by one-digit numbers. So let's go to our prototype. So this is a series of drag and drop. We will start by drag and drop. So ito yung unang question, drag the balls into one of the bars. So let's drag this one. Yan, nadadrag siya dyan. So, itong ball, hindi siya pwedeng i-drag dito. Dito lang talaga siya nadadrag. So, pag tinry ni student na i-drag siya dito, hindi pupunta yung ball dyan. So, the student will be left with no choice but to drag the balls there. Ayun. So, once the student drag the ball there, then automatically, merong hint na lalabas itong expand and contract na dotted rectangle, and then instruction na drag a bracket here. So the bracket andito yan sa toolbox natin sa left side. So let's drag this bracket. Ayun. And then mawawala automatic yung hint, and then lalabas na naman ulit yung isa pang hint. So type the number of the balls here. So let's type the number of the balls, 3, and then click submit. So submit button, lalabas siya pag lalabas yung submit button pag nag-type ka dito ng number. Ayun, submit. Okay. So eto sumobra lang ng konti yung model, pero it should be here sa baba. So continue. Dito, i-complete na natin yung mga other boxes. So, let's drag a ball. So, yung ball, kahit saan dito yung pwede mong i-drag na ball. So, for example, ito, drag natin to dito. This one here, or there, pwede dyan, or there, ayan. So, yun. Continue. And then, yung bracket na naman. So, kahit saan dyan yung lalagyan natin ng bracket. Then drag a bracket, ayan, hanggang sa maubos lahat ng bracket. Wait. Okay, ayan. Okay. Great. Next is, magta-type na naman tayo ng number 3. Ayan. So, kasi dito tayo magta-type ng 3, and then dito, and then submit. Okay, great job. So, yun na. And then ito, multiple choice. Let's say, ito, continue. And then drag a bracket here. Dito, for this question, ito na yung drag the bracket to show the total number. So, total na to. So, this one, nandito na sa baba. And then yun, same ano pa rin, drag the question mark here. Yan, so question mark yung lalabas. So, may multiple choice tayo. Nandito na yung image sa taas, and then may multiple choice tayo kung saan dito. For example, ito, submit. Okay, so 4 times 3, mag-fill up dito si student, and then submit. Then pag correct, great job. Ayun. So what is 4 times 3? 4 times 3, fill up siya dito kasi fill in the blanks to. Submit, and great job. And then ayun, lalabas yung correct answer pag na-correct siya dun. Pero pag hindi niya nabigay yung tamang answer, so the student will be stuck there in that particular lesson. So, how many balls are there in all? So, there are, let's say, ayan, magta-type si student ng answer dyan, and then submit. Pag tama, continue. Ayan. So, that's it for the multiplication, word problem, multiplication by one-digit numbers.